So we have two different kind of waves in Elliott waves. The first one is motive waves and the second one is corrective waves. Motive waves are in the direction of the primary trend and they are 5-wave structures. So for example, if the primary trend is up, then it will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave structure on the upside. And in that structure, wave 1, 3 and 5, which are in direction of the primary trend, those are motive waves. Similarly, in ABC counter trend move, waves A and C are motive waves within ABC correction, because when a ABC correction is occurring, the primary trend is downward and wave A and C occur in the same direction as the primary trend, which is downward in that case. Corrective waves. Corrective waves are the counter trend moves. So for example, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move on upside or downside, wave 2 and 4 are counter trend moves or corrective moves. Similarly, in the ABC correction, wave B is corrective wave. Let me go to the drawing board so we can understand it more clearly. So let's say the primary trend is on the upside, right? So in that case, we get a move like this. So where this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, this is wave 4, and this is wave 5. So now the primary trend is on the upside. So wave 1, this one, wave 3, this one, and wave 5, this one. They're all in the upside. So these are all motive waves. Now similarly, when a ABC correction is happening, let me use a different color. So this is your A, this is your B, and this is C. So when ABC correction is happening, then in this case primary trend is on the downside. So A and C, they are also in the primary trend direction. So A and C are motive waves here. On the contrary, when the primary trend is up, in this case when this 5-wave up formation is occurring, wave 2 and wave 4, they are in the opposite direction of the primary trend. We are talking about this trend, right? This uptrend. So talking about this uptrend, wave 2 and wave 4 are in the opposite direction of the primary trend. Hence, these are corrective waves. And when we talk about ABC correction, so A and C are in the primary trend direction, which is downward in this case, and B is on the upside, which is a counter trend move. So this one is also a corrective wave. So this can also be seen when the primary trend, let's say, is on the downside. So we have a 5-wave structure forming like this, where we have 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5, followed by an ABC correction, which is A, B, C. So in this case, when this block is occurring, right, this trend is occurring, then the primary trend is on the downside. So wave 1 is on the downside, wave 3 is on the downside, wave 5 is on the downside. So 1, 3 and 5 are always motive waves. 1, 3, 5. Similarly, when this ABC correction is happening, now the trends changed to upside from downside, and A and C are in the primary trend direction, which is the upside. So A and C. So these are always motive waves. And on the other side, wave 2, wave 4, they are all in the counter trend, on the upside in this downward trend and downside in this upward trend. So wave 2, 4 and B, these are corrective waves. Is it clear?